The rule of Noon Saakin is an interesting one, wherein there are different actions involved whenever we come across a Noon which has a Sukoon over it. But this is portrayed as Tanween because it represents an abbreviated way to note this in the Holy Qur'an. For example, we will come across words which end with a Noon and you will have a double Fatha or Dhamma on them or double Kasra below them. For example, Muhitun, Mathalan, Kalimatin. Now it's important to mention that the rule of Noon Sakin is only applicable when I have the intention to continue along a verse with such a particular word. If I want to stop at the end of this word, then I just recite it, ignoring the tanween. Noon Sakin can be divided into 4 categories. The first one, Idhaar, to make something clear. Iqlaab, to change something. Idgham, to merge. And Ikhfa, to hide. In this video, I will focus on Idhaar and Iqlaab. There are 6 letters which are important for Idhaar. Ghain, Ain, Kha, Ha, Ha, and Alif. When these 6 follow a Noon Sakin or Tanween, we must apply Idhaar, or to make them clear. These 6 letters are the throat letters, and in this case, the Noon must be pronounced clearly without any nasal sound or Ghunnah. I will demonstrate a few examples from each letter, and I want you to take notice of how these are recited. Remember, the Noon must be heard with clarity when it precedes a word which starts with one of these throat letters. For Alif, Kufuwan Ahad, Adhabun Alim. For Ha, Minhum, Salamun Hiya. For Ha, ينحتون رزقا حسنا. For Kha, إن خفتم من خير. For Ain, أنعمت واسع عليم. And for Ghain, قوما غيركم عزيز غفور. As you see in each example, the Noon is precise and clear. There is no extra elongation or nasal sound necessary. The rule of Noon Sakin in the category of Iqlaab means to change. Whenever Noon Sakin or Tanween is followed by the letter Ba, the Noon Sakin or Tanween is changed into the letter Mim. This letter Mim is then recited with a nasal sound, also referred to as a Ghunnah, and it's held for 2 harakat. Usually in the Uthman Taha script, you find a small Mim written over the Noon to guide the reciter to this rule. When the upper and lower lip come together to make the sound, they must touch because this is the only way to properly achieve a Mim sound. For example, تنبت نفس بما